Michael with Michael Beach Coaching and Consulting. I want to talk to you today about change. I don't know if you've noticed, but there's a lot of change going on in the world. It's going on every minute of every hour of every day. And it's coming at us faster and faster and faster with each day that goes by. And most of us being human beings, we're afraid of change and we think it's always going to be negative. And I got news for you, it is not. Change most of the time is incredibly good. So get over yourselves, folks. Stop worrying about change. Stop fretting about it. Stop making excuses. Stop pointing fingers of blame at someone else and just get on with it. That's my message for today. This is Michael with Michael Beach Coaching and Consulting. I'll be back to see you again soon to talk more about change. See you then.